Hi, I am Fani Koukouli. I am a group leader at the Institut of Psychiatrie and Neurosciences of Paris, that it is located in the heart of Paris within the Hospital Sainte-Anne. I graduated as a Doctor of Pharmacy from the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, where I also performed my master's studies, and then I moved in France, where I did my PhD at the Institut Pasteur and a subsequent postdoc at the Paris Brain Institute. My team studies the cholinergic modulation of cortical inhibitory circuits and its dysfunction in psychiatric disorders. So, cortical circuits, they are modulated by various neurotransmitters, among them acetylcholine, which acts through two types of receptors, the muscarinic and nicotinic receptors. Acetylcholine shapes cortical dynamics and underlines significant cognitive functions, such as, for example, attention, decision-making, cognitive flexibility. Thus, it is not surprising that acetylcholine genes, they are linked to major psychiatric disorders, such as schizophrenia, or neurodegenerative disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. So there is significant evidence that shows that cortical inhibitory circuits on the one hand and cholinergic neurotransmission on the other hand, they are affected in psychiatric disorders. But we don't know the actual interplay between these mechanisms, and this is what my team studies. In my team, we are using a multi-scale approach, and one of the aspects we study is to elucidate the synaptic, molecular, and cellular logic governing the cholinergic neurotransmission of cortical circuits. We are using the Scientifica equipment in order to perform patch clamp electrophysiology, double patch clamp, electrical stimulations. We perform a lot of optogenetic manipulations. For example, for our project, we are able to optogenetically activate cholinergic inputs from long range or local sources and record in the cortex. We are also able to study synaptic plasticity, that basically it underlines neuronal communications and circuit dynamics in the brain. The Scientifica manipulators, they allow us to perform sensitive recordings, and we can use them to perform any type of experiment. For example, Khalid right now, who is a postdoc in my lab, he is performing an experiment where he employs pharmacology in order to identify which specific acetylcholine receptors are expressed by specific neuronal types. Our relationship with Scientifica is excellent because they are very quick to respond, they have knowledge. We are actually talking with scientists that they can help us to address any technical issue we might have.